Welcome to unforgettable TV. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through one of the most spectacular theme parks in the world, Tokyo Disneyland. This isn't your ordinary Disney park. This place is built different. Let's dive in. From the moment you step in, you're greeted by the Aquasphere Tokyo, Disneyland's massive globe fountain that instantly sets the tone. Behind it, the Mediterranean harbor. It's not just an entryway, it's a full-on Italian seaside town. You've got cobblestone streets, waterfront restaurants, real gondolas drifting on the water, and the level of detail is insane. You almost forget you're in Japan. Now, let's head to the heart of the park, Mysterious Island, dominated by Mount Prometheus, a steaming, rumbling volcano that feels alive. This isn't just for show. Inside, you'll find Journey to the Center of the Earth, a dark ride that takes you through glowing caverns, strange creatures, and ends with a jaw-dropping launch out of the volcano. One of the best rides Disney has ever created, hands down. Next up, the Arabian Coast. Think Aladdin meets 1001 Nights. Rich colors, tiled mosaics, giant domes. This area is visually stunning. Don't miss Sinbad's storybook voyage. It's a gentle boat ride with animatronics that tell a surprisingly heartwarming adventure story. Plus, the music will live rent-free in your head forever. Then we hit Port Discovery, Disneyland's take on a retro-futuristic marina. The standout here is Aquatopia. You hop into these hovercraft-like vehicles that spin, slide, and glide across a shallow pool with no tracks. Time for a change of pace. Let's stroll into. And now, let's talk about the food. Tokyo Disneyland takes theme park food to the next level. You've got alien mochi, gyoza dogs, black pepper popcorn, and Japanese curry. And don't forget the popcorn buckets. People collect them like treasures. They change seasonally and feature Disney characters in the most creative designs. Now let's talk atmosphere. During the day, Tokyo Disneyland is beautiful, but at night, it's breathtaking. The volcano glows, the harbor lights reflect on the water, and the whole park transforms into this romantic, cinematic wonderland. The nighttime shows are spectacular, with water projections, music, and fireworks lighting up the sky. What sets Tokyo Disneyland apart is its commitment to storytelling. Every land feels alive. Every ride has depth. Every corner hides a surprise. It's elegant, adventurous, thrilling, and full of heart. Whether you're a hardcore Disney fan or just love immersive experiences, this park delivers. So, is Tokyo Disneyland worth the trip? 100% yes. It's more than just rides, it's a masterclass in design, atmosphere, and imagination. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the unforgettable TV community. Tell us in the comments what would be your first stop at Tokyo Disneyland. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.